Ayan, malapit na maluto ang aking pork humba. Sweet and sour siya, tapos spicy. Sweet and sour, spicy pork humba, yummy. You see, yung sabaw niya is konti lang. Ginaganon nila yung ano eh. O, tayo mo, galing ko, no? I'm so good. Yeah. It's done. It's done. You see, sweet and sour, then spicy. I love it. Ginaganon nila yung master chef eh. Ano ba yan? Bakit hindi tumatalbog?